Hi everyone, and welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. Today I am going to do an unboxing for the Hip Kit Club March 2018. So I got this yesterday in the mail and I thought I'd go over it with you guys and let you know all the goodies that I got in my this month's Hip Kit. So I'm still trying to figure out my tripod, so I am holding my camera today just because for some reason I can't get it to stop turning sideways. So I wanted this video to be straight, and that's why I'm holding the camera instead of using a tripod. So we're just gonna make do. Okay, so the first thing that we got, these are by stickers called Patio Party, and these are chipboard phrase stickers, and it looks like they are a wood grain. So we've got party, together, happy day, family, sun, shine, and home. This is my favorite font of all. Love that. And then we've got dream big, love ya, magical, hashtag hello, some leaves, thanks, hashtag smile, and celebrate. So that's lovely. I love that. That will definitely get used. The next one is Maggie Holmes from Crate Paper, and this collection is, I'm not sure what collection this is. I think it's her most recent collection because let me see real quick. Flourish. I bet it's her Flourish collection. It doesn't say on here, but it matches with it, and the more pieces that I'm seeing of this collection, I just love this collection more and more. So let's take a look at it. We've got some gold roses. Roses are really big right now, I've noticed, in the scrapbook world for spring. Plant kindness, grow love. And we've got some gold foiling. We've got a peacock. Hello, sunshine. Sunshine is in black. And we have happy little moments. And a wreath and some more flowers. Joyful heart. The most adorable squirrel I think I've ever seen. I love that. Kind of a townhouse, which is really pretty. A ticket. Some more roses. And let's see, I love you, I love you, I love you. They're 2 in gold foil lettering and 1 just in a red over pink. Celebrate the little things, smile, looks like a tag, you are so loved, XO, darling, in gold foil, and then some butterflies. And then on the other side, we've got some stamps with an adorable deer and a hummingbird and a lemon and a bicycle that says best day and some cameras and a bird, some other decorative pieces. I really, really like this collection. Love you, grateful. Look at that cute bunny. Oh, that is just the cutest bunny I think I've ever seen. Some more of the bugs and butterflies that goes with the pattern paper that came in last month's kit. Some more tickets, some more townhouses or apartment buildings, some old-fashioned cameras, and a couple labels. So I really, really like this. This has got a little bit of copper, and there's some copper up here, which you're going to see matches the letter stickers or the thickers for this month. They're copper. And they're really unique. I have never had copper letters before. So they're thicker, so they're out of that chipboard type material. So, and they're called Memo. Now I want to get that color correctly. It's a really pretty copper color. It's not really, it's picking up a little bit more orange than what it is, but it's definitely a genuine copper. Think copper pan, the color of like a copper pot is what color it is. Jen Hadfield, homemade. These are butterfly stickers, and these are very unique. I've never seen anything like this before, nor do I have anything like this in my stash. They're doubled up, so as you can see, it makes them more dimensional. Really, really pretty. Made out of that acetate. So those are going to be really pretty on scrapbook pages and on projects. This would be beautiful in a frame, just like if you had a small square frame or shadow box with these in them and open them up, just hanging on the wall, that would just be beautiful. So love those. Those will be fun to use. And then we have these Jen Hatfield homemade ephemera pack. And you get 2 big things of it. And I'm not going to open this up just because it'll be too messy, but so you've got like a plant stand or patio table with plants on it. You've got a bicycle with balloons, and it says, what does it say? I can't read what that says. It says, hey there, something like that. Hello, one of those big papasan chairs, and some flamingos, and a lantern. Enjoy the little things. A cornucopia with flowers in it, or a Mayday. I think of a Mayday basket. Some butterflies that match the butterflies, the acetate butterfly stickers. A wire wreath, Forever Friends, some balloons, Party This Way, I Live for the Weekend, some oranges. This says, Let's Watch the Stars, a market basket that's got some food and wine in it. I'm not sure if that's a cake or if it's a hat. I think it's a cake. I don't think that anyone would wear a hat like that, but a lantern, and then there's a jar with a candle in it that says Shine Bright, and there's another cake on a stand. I'm pretty sure they're both cakes. And then some flowers in a vase, some watermelon, lots of different ephemera. There's a hanging plant too, which is really neat. So I really like this collection. I think as we get more pieces of it, it's just going to be so useful, because a lot of these things are just things around the house, and I think they'll go well with just everyday photos. So really fun. Can't wait to use those. I think I like ephemera packs probably the most of any embellishment, and because they're so versatile. But they would be probably my second favorite thing to scrapbook with, paper being first. I have a passion for scrapbook pattern paper. I have a lot of it, and I just can't get enough of it, because you can do so many things with paper. And I never throw away my scrapbook paper. I always find a use for it. So, okay, so now we're going to get to the papers. And the first one is Jen Hatfield Homemade Patio Party. And it's those butterflies, those same butterflies that are on the acetate stickers. But this is just black on that peachy pink color. And then on the back is a brown. And it's those butterflies in brown on a mint color. And then words that say, let's see, my happy place, the weekend, welcome to the weekend, stay a while, friend time, living for the weekend, life is better together, the porch is my happy place, little things, time to celebrate, time to sit back, living for the weekend. So just lots of different phrases that you could cut apart if you wanted to and use, you know, as little pieces on a layout, or you could just use this as a background page. So beautiful, beautiful paper. Love that. Okay, so the next one is from Pink Paisley. It's Paige Evans, Pick Me Up Collection, number 06. And this is really pretty. It's like a triangle pattern of different colors. And the background of it is not a white. It's like these little confetti dots of different colors, and I love that. I don't have anything like that in my collection, so that'll be really fun to use. And then the back is just a peach with white dots. And then the branding strap is what the front is. So the next piece of paper is Maggie Holmes Flourish Collection. And this one's called Nostalgic. And this paper, that's like a dark teal and black, and it looks like there's some dots or splatters on it, kind of in a little bit darker color. This reminds me of wallpaper from the 70s or 80s is what it reminds me of. Maybe early 90s when teal was big, but that's what it reminds me of. So I can understand why this paper is called Nostalgic, because it reminds you of, you know, home when we were growing up, or some of us were growing up. It's probably a lot of younger people on here. Crepe paper made this paper, and this is the B-side, and what it reminds me of is the Pussy Willow drawings on the die cuts for Felicity Jane. It would go really well with those die cut pieces. But it's just kind of a banner of loopy leaves. So I like that. Or you could color them in, and it could be Christmas lights too. Okay, so this is Jen Hatfield Homemade Patio Party called Breezy. And these are polka dots on top of a mint. And inside the polka dots are white polka dots. So this reminds me of snowflakes. I think I might use this on a snowflake layout or winter layout. It just reminds me of winter. And then the B side is a brown with leaves and flowers on it. And then the branding strip is just white with black, different size dots on it. Or is that brown? Oh, I think it's black. I think it is black dots. Okay. Next paper is Maggie Holmes Flourish Collection. And this is called Ponderosa. And it's lemons. Really pretty lemons. I have another paper from another collection that's a few years old that has a lot of lemons on it. So it'll be interesting if that paper goes with that. And then here's the back. And it's like a kind of a craft color, but it's kind of pinkish. It's got a pinkish tinge to it. And then it's got these pink geometric designs that kind of remind me of the 80s. So late 80s, early 90s, I should say. Not early 80s. Okay. So this paper is Dear Lizzie, Stay Colorful. It's called Far Out. This is pink with great big flowers. Reminds me of a Hawaiian shirt. So this is a pattern that I probably would have worn to high school. Maybe in middle 80s. So. And this side is just confetti. It's like birthday confetti. So, and then we've got a branding strip of ice cream cones. And this paper, Dear Lizzie, Stay Colorful, is called Mood Ring. And this is really a neat pattern paper. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of that egg dye. You know, I don't know if you've ever used that tie-dye, egg dye stuff. That's what this reminds me of. And then the B side is yellow, which yellow is my favorite color. And it's got these little white asterisks in it, or asterisks. And then the branding strip is just a colorful rainbow of flowers. This is Maggie Holmes' Flourish collection. It's called Songbird. And these are just a bunch of little birds. They kind of remind me of little quails. So, love that. All different colors. Really pretty. B side is pink with a the darker red pattern on it. And then last but not least, we've got Chamel Box of Crayons. That's her brand new collection, A New Thought. And this is really a cool pattern. It reminds me of something I would use for a zoo page. It actually reminds me, you know, it's funny, these patterns remind me of the 80s. Like, the patterns that were on clothes in the 80s and 90s, early 90s. You know, the bright colors, you remember those baggy pants that the guys and girls both wore them? They were just knit pants that we called them like beach pants. Or button-down shirts and stuff. That's what that reminds me of. And then this is the back. It's like teal with navy blue lines in it. And then the branding strip is a black diagonal. So that is all of the Hip Kit for March collection. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you'll be back for some more Scrap With Me videos. And I'll see you soon. Bye.